welcome to Lisa Marvin Art. Welcome to the big Wizard of Oz fluid art collaboration. I know I'm not dressed up, I'm really boring, I'm really sorry, so I'm gonna try to make it exciting even though like I don't look exciting. I've been planning this for weeks, and if you've been following me, you know I hurt my back. I haven't been able to do much, and I've been saving up because I'm gonna go kind of big and I'm gonna be on the floor. So I'm really excited about this. So this big collab is all about something that inspires us from the Wizard of Oz. There are so many options. For me, I think like the first thing that I thought about was the yellow brick road. Now, if you know me, you know I'm not actually a big yellow person, but do you know what kind of person I am? I'm a gold person. So my interpretation, we were just going like gold bananas, okay? Now, a few videos back, number 303, I compared tons of gold and I actually mixed up my paints for this video. So if you wanted to see how I actually mix up these paints, go ahead to number 303. Before I forget, when you're done this video, please head over to Tony Pender's channel to watch his video, and I believe I'll probably have the link to all of these amazing videos in my description. Let's get started to my inspiration. So a few years back, like when I first started, and I'm gonna show you the pieces I'm talking about in a minute. Sorry, I'm also sick. I did these 2 3-foot square swipes, okay? And I've been trying to recreate that look for so long, but the problem is when I first started, I wasn't that good. So I didn't really get full coverage. And now if I do a 3-foot swipe, I try as hard as I can to get negative space, and I just can't do it and I get full coverage. So I'm actually wanting to go anti full coverage today. I'm gonna try again to get these different kind of shapes, and like, you'll see what I mean. Like they look kind of melty, but they also look kind of awesome. So that was my goal, and I'm gonna be using a 2 by 4 foot piece of wood. So we'll see how it goes. Let's talk about color. I started off with mixing the Deco Art Extreme Sheen, 24 karat gold, really bright gold. I've made, this is kind of an example, I made a custom marigold sparkle color. I'm using TLP ore. I'm using TLP ball gown, which is a gold interference, which you can't see in here. I'm using one of my favorite colors, Triart Rose Gold. Ballet slipper. So we're going like golds and pinks, which again, you don't really think about necessarily when you think the yellow brick road, but this is like my interpretation. So I got to make it pink and sparkly, right? And we have golden zinc white because I needed a 2 pink because there's a lot of sparkle and a lot of piggies. So what to expect is, because I'm using so many piggies and not that many tubes, it will be kind of melty and weird. And I don't necessarily want like full cells everywhere. Like I want something light and airy and sparkly. This is the little color swatch I did from the last video. So it's definitely like ladylike and dainty and pretty, which is totally what I want. So this is the goal. Why don't I go over and just show you really quick the 2 paintings, which are my inspiration, which I'm gonna try to do, which I'm not gonna be able to do, and it'll be fine. Let's go. Okay, this is really bad lighting right now, but this was like my rose quartz, and this was my, I don't remember if I called it, I don't know what I called it, but you can see like from far away, I really enjoy them and they're cool. And what I do remember doing, I should probably watch the video. I don't even know if I videoed these ones, but I remember not putting so much color on this side, but even like you see there's like little swipes, you see up close, it's like kind of melty and weird, but like, I don't know, I really, really love them. So I'm gonna go for this like white on one side and more color and gold on this side. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Okay, I just wanted to show you my setup before I start. I have this 2-foot wood board and I put a fluid art pouring mat on top, so it's very easy to peel, etc. And I stuck it on my regular cake spinner, Now, it's not gonna be perfect because I'm gonna be like tilting whatever. So, you know, it's not, for a quick fix, this is totally acceptable. I've also decided I'm eliminating the TLP ore because I've like prepared the paints and it was just like way too much. I went overboard. So let's set up and put the big guy on here. All right, let's get to work. It's gonna be very topsy-turvy because this is a very awkward size to spin. And on the back of this, there's like a bar straight across. So it's like kind of wonky, but we're just gonna like do it. You know what I mean? Oh, I didn't even show you what I was swiping with. Whew. I figure I'll get this big guy. I just got it like Home Depot. It's not gonna be perfect, but whatever. And we have like these little guys. You can get Food Art Company. So, let us begin. I am using my pillow paint, which is Glatié Essentials Eggshell. Now I leave it open for a day to thicken because it's too thin for me to bloom on. Now I don't want to put too much because I don't want to have to spin too much. That's the hope. And yet I always put too much, but I'm gonna have to like really spread it out. Okay. And then, let's see how we did. That's about half a can. Okay, so to start laying down the colors, let's start with my custom yellow that I made, like a marigold. Again, I don't really know what I'm doing yet, so you'll just have to bear with me. So pretty, this color. I don't remember exactly how I made it, but you'll have to go look at the other video. Okay. Then, why don't I go like lighter colors, darker colors. So, I'll do the Tri-Art Rose Gold. Okay, and I'll do the other side of ballet slipper. If anything, at least it's sparkly. You know what I mean? All right. Oh God. And I will do ball gown on top of that. Okay, and then, oh, you know what? I didn't put any, So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna top a little bit with some zinc white just to have some separation, even though it's a lot of white, just to have some separation with the pigments. A little bit. It's a little clumpy, but okay, just a little bit. All right, now I'm gonna top it off with the Deco Art. And I want the Deco Art concentrated more on one side. Okay, you think I can do this? Let's see. Whew. Okay, so I find it easier to use the flat-faced swipers rather than the big one, meaning I find it easier to load my cell activator on a knife. I was just looking for, I even found a bigger one. I find it easier to load it on a knife like this and pull out. So maybe that's what I'll do. So I'm gonna take my cell activator and I'm going to lay it, spread it on my knife like a cake. I don't know if this is gonna work, but again, the colors are pretty, so we're gonna make it work. Okay, so you see I put my cell activator here. I'll start down the middle-ish. At an angle, pushing, pushing, gorgeous. Those cells are pretty. Okay, next, wipe it down, and we'll keep going. Ooh, this is a great workout, I will tell you. I should go down the other side, no? Just make it even looking. I thought I heard her going this way. Pretty. I'm not making a mess, of course. And we just keep doing our thing. Swipes like this take a bit longer, but it can be worth it. Oh, it's moving. Eeks. I should hold it. Okay. Okay. I should sit maybe. That's what I'll do. Nice. I'm telling you, you can't go, if you have sparkle, you can make the ugliest thing, right? But I shouldn't get too excited because we haven't spun it out yet. Sometimes I wish with the blue and greens we didn't have to spin, you know? Okay. You know, I've been singing this whole time. Goodbye, yeah, brick road. And Mo's like, why are you singing that weird song? But it's pretty catchy. Okay, we're getting there. Do you know what I don't like about doing swipes like this? Are these lines in the middle. I always try to avoid them, but I know it's kind of unavoidable. All right, let's go to the other side. Blue. It's gonna be funny spinning this. It's gonna go all over the place, etc. But we just gotta kind of deal with whatever happens, you know? I have not done a swipe this big in quite a while, like probably over a year or so. Okay. Goodbye, yeah. What else can I tell you guys? Sorry, this is so boring. Well, no, I guess I can't tell you much. Well, I I can tell you my summer plans if you're interested. We're gonna have a great summer. We're going 3 weeks to California. And then we're going 2 weeks on an RV trip here in Ontario, which we love RVing, which my friends think is hilarious because I'm such a princess. I'm so spoiled. But it's like a fancy RV at least, so it's like a mini apartment. It's really nice. I love these colors. I'm definitely doing this color scheme again. It's a winner. All right, 2 more. And you know what? This Deco Art is quite a yellow gold, so it's kind of yellow bricky, right? Okay, last one. Okay. Whew. Let's give her a spin. All right, here we go. So I decided to fast forward this part. Obviously, I spun it quite a few times, and surprisingly, it didn't fall off the spinner once. I was like really impressed with myself. It was more luck really, but I kept spinning and I wasn't spinning that fast, but I wanted to show you a close-up while I was spinning so you could see, look at the sparkle. It's like unbelievable. So I'm gonna do a few close-ups for you. I'm really, really, really happy with my piece. Here's a close-up, and this lighting is under my studio lights, which are kind of like a cool light. You can still see the sparkle, and I love the interference piggies on top because they're like kind of a nice surprise, and under resin it's gonna look really fun. I'm really excited to resin it. And then in the next clip I'm going to show you just under my pot lights, which are a warm light, and look at how warm and look at how tiny and cute my little cells are. And I really love the warmth of the pinks and the golds, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please watch the rest of the videos. I know it's not super yellow brick road, but it's like my kind of yellow brick road. Let me know what you guys think. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.